Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiana in the house. And guys, today I'm gonna make a wig for my cousin-in-law, and they said it's 100% human hair, so this is sensational. And I'm gonna try to create something like this, alright? But she said she wants the front to cut 10 inches, so I'm gonna work with this one today. I have 2 packs. I'm gonna glue it today because it's faster, and you need a hair glue, your scissors, and you need a wig cap. One that is like somewhat stretchable. All right. It's gonna be no leave out because I don't have any closure. If it was mine, I would go right around, but since it's not mine and I want it to stretch somewhat, I'm just gonna start it like this. You can take a white pencil and you can mark it out where you want the wig to be, or you can, if you're a pro, you can just go ahead and just judge it. You want to start somewhat below the ear, like here, and you want to do one line on here, and you just want to end it like you want to slant it like that. Okay. So guys, you can use your blow dryer sometimes if you want. I might use it. And you have your spritz. All right, any spritz. So this wig should be quick and easy. And I'm gonna cut this one. All right. So first, you want to measure. You want to put it like that, and then you want to cut it. And now you want to add your glue. This is where I'm at the front, and on this next one, this is the piece. I won't cut it. I'm just gonna go around in a circle. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take it from right here in the middle, like how I did the back. And you want to go around. Now we're going to start the next part. As you reach to the top, you want to do them a little bit closer as you go. Guys, you don't have to put the spritz on it to get it dry, or you don't have to use a blow dryer, but you have to hold it for a longer period. The spritz and the blow dryer just make it dry faster. Okay, guys. I just have this little part left, and then I'm going to make a closure. I think I'm going to cut it right here. Because I need this amount of space, guys. You see how small it is? I need that for my closure. And I'm going to make it tacky in there. Put a generous amount in there, make it tacky. About this amount. And while that's getting tacky, you want to do this. You want to go around in circles. And what you want to do, make sure it fits in there. And you want to just squeeze it down in there, guys. Squeeze it. Try to find the middle. The middle you made. And you want to bend it over. Can you see the middle there, guys? Yes. That's what you want to find. Make sure you press it down. Put a little spritz. Brush it right around. So guys, this is it. You can make some curls in it. You can do whatever you want. So I think I'm gonna add like 2 pieces in it. After I'm gonna cut it, and then I'm gonna show you. You know I have to try it on because I want to cut the front. And I just I take out some of the front. I'm gonna cut it a little bit longer. Woohoo! have my flat iron. That's way better, guys. I can see now. Alright guys, so this is it. It's not looking too bad with the layer in it. Can you see the layers? I think it's pretty. Alright guys, this is it. This is the final result. I think I look pretty. Alright guys, love upon me and I love upon you. Bye guys. If you want guys, you can put some curls in it, but I can't put curls in it because it's not like you.